Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English podcast. My name is Alex, and in this episode, I want to discuss a topic that is changing the world very quickly: artificial intelligence, also called AI. AI is not just a science fiction idea anymore. It is becoming a part of our daily lives, our work, and even the way we communicate. Understanding AI is very important because it influences our future in many ways. First, what is artificial intelligence? AI is the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem solving, making decisions, understanding languages, recognizing images, and even interacting with humans. AI is used in many areas of life, including healthcare, transportation, business, education, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI has brought revolutionary changes. Medical AI can analyze huge amounts of data very quickly. For instance, AI systems can read X-rays, MRI scans, and other medical images to detect diseases at an early stage. This helps doctors make better decisions and sometimes saves lives. AI can also predict the likelihood of a patient developing certain conditions based on their medical history, age, and lifestyle. Hospitals are starting to use AI for administrative work too, which makes the system faster and reduces human error. Education is another area where AI is changing everything. Intelligent tutoring systems and online learning platforms use AI to adapt lessons to each student. This means students can learn at their own speed. AI can identify areas where a student struggles and suggest exercises or explanations to help them improve. Language learning apps also use AI to correct pronunciation and grammar mistakes. Teachers can use AI tools to evaluate homework faster and provide better feedback to students. AI is also helping universities analyze large amounts of data for research, making learning more efficient and effective. In business and the economy, AI is reshaping industries. Companies use AI for customer service, marketing, and logistics. Chatbots answer questions instantly, and recommendation systems suggest products that customers might like. AI analyzes big data to help companies make smarter decisions, optimize production, and reduce costs. Many businesses use AI to predict future trends and to plan strategies. However, AI also creates challenges because some jobs are replaced by machines. It is very important to prepare the workforce for new skills. Transportation is another area where AI has a major impact. Self-driving cars, intelligent traffic management systems, and predictive maintenance of vehicles are some examples. AI can reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and make travel faster and safer. Delivery services and ride-sharing apps also rely heavily on AI. In the future, AI could completely change the way cities are organized and how people move from one place to another. Entertainment and daily life are also affected by AI. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend movies, shows, and music based on our preferences. Social media platforms analyze our behavior to show content that interests us. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri can understand commands, answer questions, and even control smart home devices. AI makes our lives more convenient, but it also raises questions about privacy and data security. The environment is another field where AI can help. AI systems can monitor climate change, predict natural disasters, and optimize energy usage. Smart grids powered by AI can make electricity distribution more efficient. Scientists use AI to study ecosystems, track endangered species, and even predict earthquakes or floods. This is very important for protecting our planet and preparing for future challenges. Despite all the benefits, AI also presents risks and ethical concerns. Privacy is a major issue because AI collects and analyzes huge amounts of personal data. Some people worry about surveillance and how companies or governments might misuse this information. There are also concerns about bias in AI algorithms. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can make unfair decisions in hiring, lending, or law enforcement. Furthermore, AI could potentially be used for harmful purposes, such as creating autonomous weapons. Education and awareness are critical to address these risks. Governments, companies, and citizens must work together to create rules and guidelines for AI use. Regulations should ensure safety, fairness, and transparency. People should understand how AI works and make informed decisions about technology in their lives. Ethical AI development and responsible use are essential for the future. Individuals can also make a difference. Learning about AI, supporting ethical AI projects, and using technology responsibly are important steps. Encouraging younger generations to study science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM fields, can help create knowledgeable users and developers. Everyone can contribute to making AI a tool for positive change rather than harm. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies in the world today. It affects health, education, business, transportation, entertainment, and even the environment. While it brings enormous benefits, it also brings responsibilities. By understanding AI, using it wisely, and preparing for challenges, we can ensure that AI improves our lives and contributes to a better future for everyone. Thank you very much for listening to this podcast. I hope you found it interesting and learned something new. Remember, AI is not just a technology. It is a tool that we can use to make the world better. See you next time.